Hi guys, and welcome back on my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I do my makeup for work, and which I warmly recommend you to do if you're going on an open day or cabin crew assessment day. So if you're interested, please keep watching. First off, I'm priming my face using Eyebrow face primer. Then I'm taking my Modern Renaissance Anastasia palette and picking up the golden ochre color, which I'm gonna be slowly applying to my eyelid. Next I'm taking burnt orange and adding on my golden ochre shade. Now finishing with tempera shade. You want to get that nice transition between the eyeshadows, so make sure you blend that all nicely. For the eyebrows, I'm using Anastasia deep brown pomade in the shade of caramel. I'm not going for a dramatic eyebrow look for today, and that's the reason why I'm fulfilling only the major gaps I have, creating that natural eyebrow look. For foundation, I'm gonna be mixing two shades because right now I'm semi-tanned. As for the concealer, I'm gonna be using NYX HD Studio, which I warmly recommend. Sometimes I wear it even over 8 hours when I'm working, so it's quite light and it really stays on. I'm gonna be using my NYX highlighter and put it on my upper lip to get a glowy volume, and then put it in the middle of my nose to kinda contour it a little bit. For this occasion, especially if you're going on assessment day or an open day, my warm recommendation is to use a red lipstick. We've come to the end of this video. I wish you a very best of luck if you're applying for any airline company. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment because that would mean a lot for me. Love, and thank you for watching. Bye bye!